Do I throw it?
Toss it.
It burned my hand.
Woo! What is up, everybody? We're going to be doing a little demo of these festival shells today. We're going to line up all 6 of them. I don't have a rack for these because they're like the smaller little, maybe like 0.75 inch, something like that, shells. I got these for free, so we'll line up all 6 of those. We'll do a little rocket, little Hannibal rocket. So let's check them out. All right, here goes the first one. Messed up on the first one with the recording, so here's the second one. It's actually not bad. All right, here goes the third one. Sweet. Fourth one. Here we go. 5. Yeah, that's cool. All right, here's the last one. Not bad for free. And here goes the rocket for the finisher. Oh.